Hello everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, Bitcoin versus US dollar and the dollar index. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first, and this is something that I mentioned in my previous update. So the key support at 1.2600, I can see here that held successfully, and market rejected of this support, went to test this mid area of this consolidation, since the pound dollar is in the consolidation in the last 20 days. And now the market is testing the resistance area, or basically the mid area of this trading range, and also the previous swing lows on the hourly time frame. And it seems like the resistance is set at around 1.2700. So at this point we have a support at 1.2600 and resistance at 1.2700. Now two scenarios. Let's speak about the downside scenario. Will be if the market can reject from this area and hold below and then eventually retest again 1.2600 area. Another potential scenario is that market can trade and hold above this 1.2700, hold above for potential retest of the resistance around 1.2785. So this will be a decision level and intraday resistance for the British pound versus US dollar. Again, this currency pair is in multi-week consolidation, horizontal consolidation. Now, speaking of the gold market, this is something that we were speaking yesterday. The downside scenario is playing out. This was our primary scenario, so this downside leg, this rally, and this secondary downside leg. We can also project, we can see that market is just around that 2000 mark where the market rallied of this point. But if we place, for example, Fibonacci extension level just to find 100% of this swing, we can see that we broke 61.8 Fibonacci expansion from this swing high, this swing low, and this swing high. And the next Fibonacci level is 100% at 1986. So there is a chance for further downside on the gold towards 1986, or even to fully retest the low area around 1975. Another projection that we can do here on the gold is if we project a parallel line from this area here. So we'll just take here and project on this low here that we have, and we also have some more room for the downside to expand to the for the lower price. Momentum is still negative, minus 3.69, with no bigger sign for the reversal. Now the previous major swing low became resistance, and 2014 level is acting like intraday resistance. So this might be some completion of mini ABC and for potential further lower prices. The alternative scenario for the upside will be if the market can regain to 217, hold above. Potentially we might see the retest of this declining trend line, and also the area where we got those multi-swing highs from here. This is the alternative scenario because the momentum is to the downside and projection is still to the downside. Crude oil is still in the consolidation. We don't have any major breakout. It's just bracketing market with a support around 70.40 and resistance around 73.90 mark. So I would like to see the break and hold either above the resistance. For example, if market can break 74 to 75 and hold above, that will be a good sign for the secondary downside leg. For example, if we watch this like a major, and this secondary downside leg can be something like this. But from the other side, if the market will break to the downside and hold, let's say if market can break support at 70 mark and hold below, then there is a chance for this swing low, this swing high, and this swing low to also complete. So, and then the downside objective will be around 67.80. But so far market is in consolidation, and I would like to see the breakout and hold in order to confirm some, like a bigger directional move. Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see that market is still in consolidation with a key support zone at a 40,000 mark. So 40,000 mark is still the key multi-month support. We have also the recent mini consolidation with a 41,500 support and resistance around 43,500 mark. So market is still in this mini consolidation and just near this bigger support zone. I would like to see the break for anything meaningful to the upside. I would like to see the breakout of this first mini consolidation, and then eventually, if the market can trade below 40,000 whole, it will open the door for potential test of 37,000 or even 36,000 mark. From other side, if the market can break like 43,700 and hold above, there is a chance for some rally towards 46,000 or 47,000, but so far we have the consolidation, mini consolidation in the play. Dollar index, I mentioned this. I will just go to the daily frame because we mentioned there is a chance, and there is a still chance for that test of 104.20 mark. So what we had here is the breakout of this multi-day consolidation, and yesterday's was more like a neutral day. So you might have some consolidation going on here today, maybe to form like a free bar balance, but then there is a chance for the market to retake the pin bar high at 103.70 and then eventually try to test 104.20, 104.25. So if anything meaningful to the downside, I would like to see the market to go into this consolidation again. This will mean that we will have a fake breakout of this initial multi-day balance, and then it will open the door for the lower prices. But that's an alternative scenario at this point. So that will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.